How to withdraw money from Wise. So first, you just have to log into your Wise account. You have to approve this device if you're using your Wise on your mobile. So you have to go to your email address and then approve this device if you're opening this Wise account or your Wise account using other device such as tablet or laptop. Okay, and then once done, what you're going to do is just simply look for the option that says send money. So you just have to tap this one, send money. And then here, as you can see, you have two options, okay, international and same currency. So if you're sending money international, you just have to tap international and then look for that specific payment method. Okay, so we have here connected to bank account. You can also withdraw money from Wise via wire transfer, debit card, we have here credit card, and we have here international wire. So you just have to tap that one and you will see here the fee beside. Okay. So let's just say you wanted to send and you choose payment method debit card. Okay. And then you just have to check the country or the recipient's country, the amount, and then click continue. And then here we have questions. Who are you sending money to? You just have to type name, email, or phone if that person is your recent recipient. Okay, so if you want to send money to yourself, then you just have to simply enter your local bank account information. Okay, so you will see it right here. And this one is Interact. So for faster but more expensive transaction, choose this one. Okay, and then if you want to send money to someone else, then you just have to tap this, and then you need to enter again the local bank account information, and then also if you want it faster, then you can tap this Interact. Okay, and then after that, if you want to send money business or charity, you just have to type their email address, enter their local bank account information, and Interact for faster transaction. Now, for those people who will withdraw their money from Wise, of course, what you're going to do is to simply withdraw this using your bank account. You can withdraw or you can get money from Wise to a bank account. Also, Wise has other option when sending or receiving. If Wise has this option that they just need your wallet information, then you can transfer money from Wise and you can get money from Wise using any e-wallet providers. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.